Hey guys, today we are at Bobbox and I'm coming at you straight from the action. Just found out that if you want to order, you basically have to download the app, and I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know. And then on the tables, you get to, you can show them, you can scan the menu. I mean, I get the whole digital vibe. It's just like a hindrance to the whole thing. But the food is the same from the old Bobbox from what I've seen, but let's see. And then we'll get to it.
So here they were explaining to us how the whole ordering process works. I got this bracelet where all our orders were stored and anything pertaining to our table. As for the yellow tags, I'm not really sure why we had to wear them, to be honest, and I think they low-key didn't seem to understand it either. But we just went along with it. I feel like the whole digital experience needs a little work, but I guess it's the effort that counts. We were then shown the variety of games they have. They also have other activities here, which we'll get into later. These were the bathrooms. They were super nice. I really liked the neon sign. It definitely gave the bathroom a really cool vibe. That's my little sister, and I guess we proceeded to jam to whatever song was playing at that time. Then it was time to eat, and you know I was excited about that. My brother and sister got sandwiches, which honestly tasted way better than they looked. My sister got a burger and I got the basic order at Bobbox, which is the pizza. But trust me, it hits every single time and you just can't go wrong with this one, you know? So I definitely recommend. And as you can see, we definitely inhaled our dishes. It was so good. We ended up playing What Do You Meme and then checked out the other games like mini golf, karaoke. They have a batting cage, darts, table tennis, and so many others, which if you book a day prior, you can play at only 20 shillings each. How cool is that, guys? I would say overall my experience here at Bobbox was amazing and I definitely recommend. Up next, we visited Strikes at Westgate. We seem to have forgotten that it was a Saturday, so it was super full and we hadn't booked. But since they have so many other activities, in order to kill time, we played pool and my sisters played air hockey, but I unfortunately didn't document that. And this was really fun. I hadn't played pool in such a long time. And here, as you can see, my cameraman failed me because that ended up going in, y'all. But it's okay. I ended up winning one game and my brother won one game as well. Towards the end, our slot for bowling got open, so we couldn't finish our game. But I would say it was a fair competition, and yeah, it was a really good way to kill time. Now comes the main event. We started bowling, and yeah, here my competitive side came alive. But as you can see, I clearly had nothing to worry about. But anyway, walk with pride, sis. Walk with pride. Here I was struggling to get my first strike and I thought that was the one, but unfortunately, well, it just wasn't. I was always so close. Yeah, my brother ended up winning and that was that. Towards the evening, I quickly met up with my friends at Alchemist for a quick drink. It was nice. It was very early. It was like at 9, so hence the non-existent crowd. But yeah, we just caught up real quick and headed out to the next location. And yeah, that was Saturday. This was then Sunday morning after church, and the weather was good, the vibes were great. I really enjoyed this little drive because, you know, it was on a Sunday, so town wasn't as busy, and it allowed me to appreciate the views in town, you know? So yeah, I was basically heading out to Parklands to meet up with my friends for plans we had for later on in the day. And you know, since we're going to Parklands, it meant that my bhajia craving was gonna be taken care of. It was gonna be sorted. Hey, I was excited, guys. I was excited. Would you look at that? My goodness, I really enjoyed these bhajias. These bhajias were it. Here Ashley was super happy to make it to the vlog and she took over a little bit.
Hi guys, I'm doing this because I want you to see my brows and my cat eye, and the edges. So yeah, tunaangalia there.
Oh,
That's definitely not going to be audio version. It's
yeah.
gonna be viral.
Vibes.
And then we have a hi guys.
We really had a good time. I was really enjoying my bhajias and I was just super happy. We got some passion juice and some sugarcane juice. The passion juice was the better option, and Ashley got a shawarma, which was just poorly wrapped, but once we figured that out, it was amazing. Once we were done, we were ready to go to our next location and we needed to decide who gets the front seat. As you can see, I took my loss gracefully. Just means I had more space at the back. It's fine. We were heading out to go watch a play, a friend of a friend's play. It was definitely low budget, but I think watching it with my friends definitely made it so much better and so much funnier. Really had a good time. We then headed to Weibo restaurant, and y'all, I'm just gonna let the vibes speak for themselves because wow.
You guys are peer pressuring me. I want to this now.
So good. It's very good. It has to have it.
I haven't even tasted it.
It's so rad, bro.
This was definitely the perfect way to bring my weekend to a close. It was my first time in this restaurant and I really enjoyed it, and I can't wait to be back because a jazzy Sunday like this is my vibe. I think that's my kind of vibe. I really enjoyed it and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe and share. Also let me know in the comments if you've been to any of these places and what your thoughts were on them. And yeah, now Ashley had some closing remarks. I'm just gonna run the tape.
Looking for an African, specifically Kenyan, petite girl who is very fun, very low maintenance, but yes, I am low maintenance, guys. Ignore them. But I'm not here for a good time. I'm here for a long time. And yeah, thank you. Bye bye. Cheers.